Hi everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add logo on your Google business profile. So in the search bar, just start typing Google My Business, then press enter. Your active business profile should also show up in this section. Then just click on View Profile. And from here, you will be directed to this page. You can easily just click on Photos. And from here, you can see the Add a Logo option. Just click on it. So you can either drag your image or simply select image from your library. So let's just take our logo from our library. Can make adjustments to crop our logo. Then just click on Save. So that's how you can easily add logo to your Google business profile. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily add logo to your business profile page. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!